Hi friends, today you are going to learn how to make chocolate sponge cake. For this recipe you need 2 eggs, grinded sugar 50 grams, cocoa powder 7 grams, vanilla essence 1.5 teaspoon, flour 42 grams. I will use 2 mold of 3 inches size. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we are going to beat 2 eggs until fluffy with the beater until it becomes creamy. Friends, you have to keep your beater at low speed. You have to beat the eggs 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see the eggs, they are changing their colors and they are becoming more lighter and fluffy. At this point you are going to add the sugar gradually in a batches and keep on beating. Now you will add 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla essence and keep on beating with the beater. You have to sieve the dry ingredients, baking powder, cocoa powder and flour. Mix all the dry ingredients very well with the spoon or any spatula. Our batter is almost done, so stop beating after 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will not use the beater or hand mixer. We are going to mix up the dry ingredients with the spatula with cut and fold method. So you have to incorporate gently with the light hands and mix all the dry ingredients. Don't overmix the batter. Friends, I am going to divide my batter into 2 bento cake 3 inches pan. Friends, grease your pans beforehand and preheat your oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. If you are doing stove baking, then you have to preheat your pot for 15 minutes. Keep your 2 pans in the pot and cover the pot with the lid and the napkins, and you are going to bake it for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, here you can see our cakes are rises, so you can check it with toothpicks. If it's clean, it means they are done. So take them out from your bake pot and let them cool for some time and cover it with the napkin. Now you can demold your cakes from your pans and see they are so soft and the sponge is very good. So this recipe is very easy for the beginners. So you can use them for frosting cakes. This sponge is very easy with few ingredients. I hope you like this recipe. Please subscribe and like my channel for more exciting videos about art, food and traveling. See you later.